Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday OnePlus launched new series which is known as OnePlus Nord, which comes with few beautiful static and live wallpapers. In this video we'll show you how to install those live wallpapers on your any OnePlus device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So right now you can see this is my OnePlus 7 Pro, and huge thanks to XDA member for these wallpapers, and now which can be installed on any OnePlus device. First what you have to do is you need to download the file from the description below, which is a zip file with a size of approximate 153 MB. So here you can see I have already downloaded that zip file. And one more thing guys, most of you have been asking me about the Google camera for OnePlus 7 series, and I'm testing Google camera applications for OnePlus 7 series with different XML files, and soon you guys gonna see a video on the best Google camera application for your OnePlus 7 series. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure to subscribe for upcoming awesome content. So now talking about the live wallpaper. So here we have the zip file which you can unzip directly from your file manager. After you unzip, you'll get an OnePlus wallpaper resource APK. Along with that, you'll find all the live wallpapers supporting 60 FPS and 90 FPS. So if you are installing on your OnePlus devices, make sure you install Oppo wallpaper resource APK, and this will replace the current live wallpapers on your OnePlus devices. After you unzip this, there are two ways to apply these wallpapers. One is you can download the Google Wallpaper APK from the Play Store, or else on your OnePlus devices, you can long press tapping on the wallpapers, and here we have all the 4 live wallpapers available. These live wallpapers consist of live glacier, live sand, live snow, and live stone. And the resolution of these wallpapers is 2400 x 1080p. These wallpapers looks really awesome on the full screen display. And I have also downloaded these wallpapers on my OnePlus 3, and which works great. The process is same. You just need to download the zip file, unzip that, install OnePlus Wallpaper Resources APK, and then you can long press the home screen, tapping on wallpapers. You should see these live wallpapers available on your older OnePlus devices. So guys, these are the few wallpapers from OnePlus Nord series. Let me know in the comment section below whether you guys like these wallpapers or not. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.